Wisconsin, Iron Mountain, Michigan. My goal is to go across, clean up anything in there that I see, come back the other side, see if there's any garbage, any guns, anything cool. Water looks pretty clear. It's cold though. Woo-wee! It's cold. Soaking in the suit right now. Probably about 35-degree water. Guessing. See how long the hands and the feet last. There's a bunch of rebar out here. Okay. Someone made an anchor out of a speaker. What's your name? Colton Weber? I gotta keep moving. My hands don't get cold. Another one. Taking my first pee right now. Feels good. So I want to come out here and head that way. Getting heavy. Got that much air left. Wow. Look at that. Are you sure it's straight down here? Yeah. Are you sure it wasn't out further? There's just rocks down there. Oh, you want me to attach it to something? Yeah. I gotta get back. I'm starting to cramp up. Yeah. She's cold. So chilly. There's a bike frame and some other metal stuff. It's gonna be a lot of trips back and forth. Just got all the stuff back up here. We're diving, magnet fishing, and cleaning up trash. So these guys are out helping today. That's Jason and Dave. Thanks for coming out, Dave, for the help. Thank you, Jason. Yeah. You got a nail there.
Good nail and possibly a lock.
It says federal something on there?
Yeah.
Some other scrap metal there.
That was on the bridge.
On the bridge. All right.
Must have fell out of somebody's truck.
Yeah. Also got a bag and a half of trash here. That was all on the bank. Pulled the bike out of the water today. Temporary guardrail thing. Got a fishing lure right here. 2 license plates. 3 anchors. This is a really heavy duty metal one. This looks like an anchor, but it's just a old speaker. Maybe they were magnet fishing with a magnet on the back. Who knows? Got a little grate here, some rebar, this metal thing here, some more trash there, some wire, and this thing, whatever that is. Didn't find much today, did get some trash, but it was a cold dive, about 37, 38 degrees. I'm out of here.